Shabu khona bafethu, so it has been announced what English Premier League will have a maximum of 5 teams qualifying for UEFA Champions League. In terms of league standings, they will have 5 teams qualifying for next season's UEFA Champions League. Yabo. This is due to Arsenal's 1-0 win over Sporting SP in the Champions League quarterfinals encounter yesterday. Arsenal ke iyasiphinda ngalomusa na last season yasenzele umusa Arsenal yawina kwi-quarterfinals, andikhumbuli babedlala nantoni kodwa bawina, and also and that led to i-Premier League being able to have 5 teams qualify for UEFA Champions League in terms of league standings. Yabo, ndingawabala naloo maqela, Newcastle, Man City, Arsenal, Liverpool kanye ne-Chelsea, yeah. So Arsenal siphinde ngaloo musa futhi, as you can see apha, this is the log and these are the teams mna endibonayo ukuthi banamathuba okungena kwi-UEFA Champions League. From it to you.